Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, I'm Maria. So today I'm doing another weekly laundry routine video. And yeah, if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and joining the family. We are glad to have you. Virtual hugs and kisses, and welcome to the Ride or Die Raggy Daddy family. And to my existing subscribers, thanks for being my Raggy Daddy. Truly love you guys. If you haven't already subscribed and you like my content, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And let's get right into the laundry video. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing this load that I'm showing you that's on the floor in the washroom. And currently I do have something in the dryer that's also going. So what I do is, for everything that has a zipper, I make sure I zip it up, because if you leave the zipper down, it can get tangled in other garments and cause other garments to rip. So I put all my zippers out, and I personally wash all the garments, all the clothing on the right side, and I'm just making sure that there's nothing in the pockets to damage the wash and dryer, as well as to damage the clothing. I've been using what I found been working really good for me is OxiClean, and so that helps with the odor, and that helps to brighten and really does clean the clothes very good. And the scented beads that I featured in my last video, my last laundry video with my little shopping haul, those are good for taking out odor as well and adding a nice scent to the laundry. So my laundry routine has been going pretty good. I've been loving the results. It's nice and clean and smells really good. Oh, also the fabric softener is very important when it comes on to keeping the fabric, the clothing in good condition, as well as it's good for the scent. It also smells really nice. That's also featured in my last laundry video as well. So right now I'm just getting some fabric softener, and I'm using this much for my full load. The amount that you use does make a difference. Same thing for your detergent. Just make sure you're using enough detergent. The soap is what actually cleans the clothes, so you want to make sure you're using enough soap. And also I use enough fabric softener as well to get the best results. So after I put that in the washing machine, I'm going to add my OxiClean. Add my OxiClean. So make sure I have enough as well for a full load. And I'm going to get my scented beads. Make sure I add enough as well for a full load. And now I'm gonna load the washing machine. So that's where I keep my laundry supply. And this right here is the washing machine that I am going to start loading. Hey there. and loaded. Just heard a weird sound. What's that? Oh, I don't know what that was. Alright, so nice and loaded. Fix the camera. So power on. Alright, let me show you what I'm doing right now. So it's cloning, so I'm gonna do heavy duty because of the soil. And I always put my water on cool. You could do cold or cool, but not warm or hot or extra hot, because you don't want your garments, your clothing to shrink. I do one rinse, and I'm gonna leave it on extra high, extra heavy. No, for spin, I like to do medium. It depends on what you're washing. For like your bedding, you want to do high or extra high. It depends on what you're washing. And then for my soil, for this load, I'm gonna do extra heavy. So for my bedding, like, you don't have those blankets. We have blankets that we need to wash, and you want to make sure that all the water comes out of the blanket. So I put my spin cycle on high for blankets and stuff like that in my bedding. But like for my clothing, I don't really need an extra high spin cycle. Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. Now I do have a few white clothing. It's not a lot, it's only this much. So I'm going to use the top load because that's for small loads. I think I took too much soap, but hey, guess what? That's what makes the clothes clean, so that's okay. And I'm gonna pour it in. And then, of course, you know, my good old fabric softener. So I don't need a lot. Using this much OxyClean. I feel like I need to use a little bit more because it's white, and I want my whites to come out nice and clean. So I'm using a little bit more of the OxyClean. I think this is dry, so I'm gonna stop it. So I have my detergent, I have everything in this, so now I'm gonna put my white stuff. I'm gonna do normal, and then I'm just gonna, it's already on cold, so start. Alright guys, so while the laundry is going, what I tend to do is, because sometimes I already have laundry done that I need to put away because I've already started my laundry. So while that's going, I did finish drying these pillowcases and sheets that I need to fold up and put away. So I have little small piles of clean clothing on the bed, as well as towels and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys. So that's the little piles that I have on the bed, and so I'm going to start folding these.